Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate cultural content with FluentU, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin automating cultural content with FluentU, first, log in to your FluentU account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options related to content creation. Click on the Create button to start a new project. Select the type of content you want to automate, such as videos, articles, or quizzes. Next, choose a topic that reflects the cultural aspect you wish to highlight. After selecting the topic, use the search bar to find relevant content available on FluentU. Once you've found suitable material, click on it to open the editing interface. In the editing interface, customize the content by adding notes, images, or additional resources. Make sure to incorporate key cultural insights that enhance understanding. After customizing, preview the content to ensure everything is correctly aligned. Once satisfied with the preview, save your project. Now, look for the automation settings within the project dashboard. Enable the automation feature to generate content regularly based on your specifications. Set up your preferred schedule for content delivery, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Review the automation settings to confirm they align with your educational goals. Finally, activate the automation to start distributing your cultural content effectively. Monitor the analytics to track engagement and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.